When it comes to alarm systems, manufacturers recommend testing them monthly. The first thing you should do is contact your alarm monitoring center and let them know you will be testing your alarm. They will verify your authority by asking for your password and will then put your system into test mode. This means that the monitoring center will not dispatch the authorities when the sensors are triggered. Once you have your system on test, simply arm your system like you normally would and proceed to activate your sensors one at a time. This is a standard sensor for monitoring water on the floor. These are used around appliances that might leak water onto the floor. Water touches these two contacts, which will trip the alarm. A general installation practice is to mount them very close to the floor on a cabinet or wall, so when water gets onto the floor, it touches those two contacts and trips the alarm. To test this sensor, wet a paper towel or sponge and apply it to the device's contact points. This should trigger the alarm. This is another style of water sensor with longer contact points. It can be tested the same way. This wireless model of water sensor can also be tested with a sponge or paper towel. When both contact points get wet, it triggers the alarm, alerting both you and the monitoring center. Once you complete activating your sensors, disarm the system like you normally do to shut it off. Depending on the type of alarm system you have, you may need to disarm twice to reset your alarm. Then, call the monitoring center to verify your signals. Once the signals are verified, ask them to end the test session, which puts your system back in normal operation.